amazing excavators in life. The ECG-35 is a robust electric rope shovel with a bucket capacity of 35 cubic meters and an operational weight of approximately 1,200 tons. This machine is engineered for heavy-duty mining, featuring a powerful electric drive system, high-strength steel components, and advanced control systems. The ECG-35 is known for its reliability, with a design that minimizes wear and tear while maximizing productivity. It is built to withstand the harshest mining environments, offering superior performance and longevity.
The TA-230 Litronic combines power and flexibility. With an operating weight of 24,800 kilograms and a payload capacity of 28 tons, this articulated dump truck is designed to optimize transportation efficiency. Its 270 kW engine ensures stable operation, while the 18 cubic meter dump body capacity increases productivity and reduces loading times. Excavator hammer is a formidable piece of machinery used primarily for demolition and breaking through tough surfaces. This specialized excavator features a reinforced arm and hydraulic system capable of delivering powerful blows to concrete, rock, and other hard materials. The excavator hammer is a versatile tool, finding application in various industries such as construction, demolition, quarrying, and road maintenance. Its ability to efficiently break through challenging surfaces makes it indispensable in tasks ranging from demolishing old structures to preparing sites for new construction projects.
A 70-ton cat bulldozer is performing impressively at a quarry in Iceland, with the ability to process thousands of tons of rock daily. It has doubled the mine's production capacity, producing more than 30,000 tons of rock each month. This significantly contributes to the supply of construction materials in the region.
The excavator digger is a vital piece of heavy machinery used in construction, mining, and landscaping. With its powerful hydraulic system and versatile bucket or shovel attachment, it efficiently digs, lifts, and moves large quantities of earth and debris. From digging trenches to clearing land, it plays a crucial role in shaping landscapes and facilitating construction projects with speed and precision.
One of the most incredible and giant wheel excavators globally is the 293 bagger, also known as the coal monster, manufactured by the German company Tackraff. This colossal machine stands over 96 meters tall and weighs more than 14,000 tons. The 293 bagger is equipped with an electric motor that produces an astounding 18,000 horsepower, enabling it to tackle the toughest jobs.
Waycor AW1140 Soil Compactor.
The Waycor AW1140 is a vibratory roller with an operating weight of 10,450 kilograms, powered by a 100 kilowatts, 134 horsepower engine and generating a centrifugal force of 224 knots. With a working width of 2,140 millimeters and a modern Deutz diesel engine, this machine operates efficiently and economically. The optimized vibration and compaction control system, along with a spacious and comfortable cabin, support operators across various work conditions.
Tatra Phoenix 8x8 off-road bus.
The Tatra Phoenix 8x8 is a premium off-road bus with an 8-wheel drive system, providing stable operation on all types of terrains, from rugged mountain paths to flooded areas. The bus is equipped with a powerful engine and independent pneumatic suspension for each wheel, reducing vibrations and enhancing passenger comfort. The Tatra Phoenix 8x8 also boasts a modern interior design, with comfortable seating and advanced entertainment systems, making it suitable for long and challenging journeys.
The Mini Excavator is a compact version of a standard excavator designed for tasks in confined spaces. It is highly maneuverable and can be used for digging, trenching, and small-scale demolition. Mini excavators are ideal for urban construction and landscaping projects. The haul truck is a large, heavy-duty vehicle used primarily in mining, quarrying, and construction to transport large quantities of loose materials such as soil, sand, gravel, ore, and demolition debris. These trucks are designed to handle heavy loads and rough terrain, and they often feature robust frames, powerful engines, and large cargo beds. Haul trucks come in various sizes and capacities, with some of the largest models capable of carrying hundreds of tons of material in a single load. They are essential in operations that require the movement of substantial amounts of material over long distances.
The Vermeer T655 is a robust and versatile earth excavator designed for heavy-duty trenching operations. It's equipped with a range of advanced features that allow it to cut through even the toughest soils with ease, making it an essential tool for various construction and agricultural applications. This trencher boasts a host of advanced features, including electronic-grade control and a top-notch digital display, making it a leading choice for soil excavation.
The CAT 6120 is a leading hydraulic mining shovel designed to excel in the toughest mining and excavation environments. Its structure features a reinforced chassis, a reliable track system, and a powerful hydraulic arm with a large capacity bucket. Powered by twin diesel engines and advanced hydraulic systems, the 6120 provides exceptional power and precision in its operations. The primary functions of this shovel include extensive material excavation, heavy lifting, and loading haul trucks efficiently. It is particularly well suited for tasks such as open pit mining, quarrying, and large-scale earth moving, making it an indispensable asset for large mining operations and construction projects. Its robust design and high performance ensure reliable and efficient operation in the most demanding conditions.
To ensure that train traffic is maintained, regular maintenance of railway lines must take place. This work is often performed by specialized machines that can easily replace and install wooden bars, each weighing about 50 kilograms. Stone crushers play a crucial role in the asphalt, reinforced concrete, and concrete industries. In just 1 year, they crushed more than 2 million tons of stone to produce the raw materials needed by these sectors. The machine's efficiency and ability to operate continuously have significantly contributed to meeting the demand for construction materials in the development of infrastructure and construction in the United States. In the spring of 2022, the 6-track agricultural plow demonstrated its strength on the snow-covered land, preparing the soil for the planting season. During this process, it processed over 200,000 square meters of snow-covered terrain, creating ideal conditions for farmers to kick off a productive agricultural season.
Fearless.